Ladies and gentlemen, my video guide is dedicated to help you remove the ransomware called LockData. LockData is a malicious program that is based on the Chaos ransomware family. By the way, we found this program while researching new malware submissions to the VirusTotal database. After being launched on our test computer, LockData ransomware began encrypting files and appending their file names with a special extension consisting of 4 random characters. For instance, it renames the original file in a special manner by adding a random extension. Certain ransomware threats actually add a specific extension that is unique, but this one adds a random extension. So before the ransomware attack, of course, you are able to open the files without any troubles. Regretfully, this particular LockData ransomware is able to encrypt the files and they are not usable anymore. And pretty soon you will see the consequences of the ransomware attack. Typically, the ransomware attacks computers because of poor protection of the system by the existing security software. So if you have noticed that some files on your computer have been damaged or modified by this LockData ransomware, then definitely it's your current antivirus that can be blamed for allowing this ransomware to be injected into the system. And so now you can clearly see the consequences of the ransomware attack. The ransomware places this ransomware note mentioning that the files have been encrypted by the LockData ransomware. And it also actually changes the desktop background of your computer. And as I said, it adds some random extension to the files. So there is no point to mention the extension because it is random in each specific file that has been encrypted. The ransomware tells the victims to pay a special ransom for file restoration. In fact, it's 5 bitcoins, which is a tremendous amount of money. But paying the ransom does not guarantee that the files would be restored. We recommend you to immediately remove this ransomware. We suggest that you do it with the program called Combo Cleaner, which you may get on the page combocleaner.com. combocleaner.com. Other browser shortcuts on the desktop may also be damaged by this ransomware. That's why we use Internet Explorer browser. So combocleaner.com, use this green download button, install the application and start researching the system. The program is initially in the trial mode, so only the quick scan option is available. Click on Start Scan. The program will begin scanning, researching and investigating your system. While the scanning is taking place, you could pay attention to some features in Combo Cleaner. For instance, there is a great feature called Anti-Ransomware. It allows you to add certain folders on your system, and the data in these folders will always be protected against ransomware attacks. So you need to wait a little bit until the scanning is completed. The duration of the scanning, of course, may depend on various factors. It may depend on how infected your computer is and how many hard drives are being scanned. At the end of the scan, you'll see the summary of threats. You'll be able to know their location on the system. But we strongly advise that you upgrade to Premium to remove all these threats altogether and automatically.